Are you looking to add a silent and fast Thunderbolt 5 external drive to store and edit all your videos and photos on? Check out this new D1 SSD Pro enclosure from TerraMaster. Hi, this is David of TechBaba. Welcome to my channel. Please consider subscribing if you like useful tech for the family like me. In today's video, let's check out the new Thunderbolt 5 external SSD enclosure from TerraMaster, the D1 SSD Pro. We'll unbox it, assemble it with this 4TB Western Digital Black SN7100 SSD, and see how it performs. Fast Thunderbolt 5 SSD enclosure supporting up to 80 gigabit per second of transfer speed is a great way to add fast storage. Upgrading a MacBook Pro from 512 gigabytes of SSD storage to 4 terabytes costs a whopping $1,200. Even with the sky-high price of memory chips these days, you can still add an external one for about half that cost. And hopefully at the time you watch this video, the memory price has come back down to earth. The D1 SSD Pro comes in a box printed with many of its features. Inside the box, there's an envelope with documents, warranty information, a free backup software, and a QR code for the user manual. Oh, nice. It already comes with a zipper carrying case, ready to travel. Inside the carrying case, there's the enclosure, quite hefty, and an USB-C to USB-C Thunderbolt 5 cable. In this black box, a small Phillips screwdriver, and an extra thermal pad. Scanning the user manual QR code, it took me to the support website, putting in the email address, product category, number of drive slots, 1, and the model number. There's the online user manual. The D1 SSD Pro looks like a modern art piece. It's all aluminum construction in silver, has these big, thick 2mm fins all the way around, like a huge heatsink for efficient passive cooling. Yep, no fans inside, so no noise, and still no slowdowns due to heat. It's 4.75 inches by 2.25 inches and 1.5 inches thick. It weighs in around 300 grams, 10.5 ounces. There's only the high-speed 80 gigabit per second USB-C port on one side, along with an indicator light that glows white when connected to Thunderbolt 5, 4, 3, or USB 4 devices. It glows orange when connected to much slower USB 3.2 and earlier devices. There are little rubber feet on one side for it to stand on. Let's open it up and install the NVMe drive. Use the provided screwdriver, loosen the screw. The enclosure opens up. There is the connector and slot for 2280 M-key NVMe M.2 SSD up to 8 terabytes. On the other side, there's a thermal pad already attached in addition to the extra one that came in the box. Remove the screw at the end. Insert the drive at an angle into the slot. Push down on the other end and tighten down the other end with the screw. Peel off the plastic film on the thermal pad. Align the two halves and tighten the outer screw to close up the enclosure. That's it. Okay, here I have it attached to my 16-inch M4 MacBook Pro, which also supports the new Thunderbolt 5 protocol. With Blackmagic Disk speed test, I get about 5,800 megabytes per second write and about 5,700 megabytes per second read. That's more than twice as fast as my other Thunderbolt 4 enclosures. Transferring a large 16 gigabyte video file takes just about 3 seconds from the laptop to the drive, and another 3 seconds to read it back. About twice as fast as the Thunderbolt 4 drives too. No problem, of course, editing photos and videos directly on this external drive at all. The enclosure only gets a little warm with heavy transfers, but it doesn't overheat or slow down with thermal throttling. The D1 SSD Pro retails for $249.99 US. I will put a link to it with discounts from time to time in the description below. If you're looking for a drive that's almost as fast as Apple's internal storage, silent, relatively affordable to edit all your photos and videos on, check this one out. Where do you edit or store all your videos and photos? Share with us in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you find any part of this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. If you want to see more videos on how technology can enhance our lives with kids and family, subscribe and check out this video next. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, remember to cherish each moment. Big thanks to TerraMaster for sending this out for me to try and share with you.